Hey everybody, it's Brandon from Taxi Chair back with another video. As you see, I'm using some cheat oil. Right now I'm going to be doing a twist out on myself. So I have put some medium-sized twist in my hair about 2 weeks prior to this video. I just wore it as a twist out. Most of the time it was covered. And now I'm taking it out. I have a wedding to go to, so I wanted my hair to look nice. And I also needed to do something with it because these twists were not going to work for the wedding. So as you can see, I'm just taking these twists out. When you're taking your twist out, you want to be really gentle with them just to not create so much frizz. Usually what I'll do is spin it the opposite way that it's twisted, and that'll make the twist pretty much come out. You can just run your finger in the middle of it and pull it out. As you can see in this one, you see I'm rolling the twist back the opposite direction that it was twisted in. And then I braid it at the root just to make my roots not be so frizzy. So I'm just going in through and taking that braided part out. You'll see it again. I'm rolling that twist the opposite way and then just pulling it apart. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, how y'all been? How y'all been doing? I'm glad to be back with another video. I'm thinking about doing some Vlogmas stuff, so like just recording and vlogging during December. My birthday is in December. Birthday's on Christmas Eve. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. But just let me know what you think, if you might be into that or not. I don't know, I might post them anyway, despite what you might think. We just gonna see how it go. So now I'm just going through and just running my fingers along the twist and kind of just seeing where it naturally kind of wants to break and just pulling it apart at that place where it kind of wants to break at. And one thing about doing a twist out, you're going to have some twists in there that you didn't find. I know even after I got done doing all, you see, I just found that one on the side. There's always some twists in there that you missed. So just always make sure you go back and double, triple check. And here I'm just gonna start lining myself up. Like I said, I did have to go to a wedding, so I was trying to make myself look halfway decent. And this is just some simple techniques if you have to cut your own hair by chance. Like just what I do, like what it looks like when I'm trimming my facial hair and stuff. How I hold the clippers just to make things a little bit more easeful for myself. So when I'm lining up that curve, I usually use the back corner of the clipper to kind of make that C shape instead of using like the front that you would use if you were cutting someone else's hair. So as you can see, I'm using like that back to go up and make that curve, and then laying my blade kind of laying it flat to my head to make where the C shape ends, where the C shape and the parallel bars meet. I use my blade and just lay it flat to make that line kind of short. I try not to go too far back on my hairline. My hairline is kind of wide just naturally, and as I'm getting older, it's getting a little more wide. So a lot of times I won't line up my vertical bars unless I need to, like if they're showing. And right now what I'm doing is just stretching my hair out. So I have the dryer on a warm setting, and I'm just taking my hair, pulling it out at the ends and going in at the root. As you can see from the left side to the right side, how much stretch I got in my twist out. And this just helps when you want your hair to look kind of bigger, or more voluminous. I know sometimes with twist outs and other natural styles, you can experience shrinkage and makes your hair just not look as good as it would if you had it stretched out. And I mean, you've been growing out all this hair, you want to show some of your links. So as you can see, it's definitely stretching it out, making my hair appear more long than, not longer than what it is, but just in its longest state, I would say. I know it's like how many times you gonna fluff it. I always like shaking my hair when I do twist outs, when I do wash and goes, all that kind of stuff. I always like to shake my hair. I feel like it gives it this kind of natural shape, I guess. And I did use the Chi Shine Infusion Oil before to untwist my hair, so that definitely helps in with the heat control. It helps to minimize the heat damage. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. I'm using a wide tooth comb right now. You could also use a pick. This is just happened to be what I had at the time. So I'm just going through and picking out at my roots. And this will help to kind of disguise some of those lines from the parts for the twist out. So because you don't want to see like big lines of demarcation where you had each twist at. And this helps to disguise that. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. I think it came out pretty good. I like the way it came out a lot. Like I said, I didn't line up the front lineup because it's pretty much covered with my hair, so there's really no need to. And this is my hair a few days later. I was in West Texas, Lubbock to be exact, and the wind was blowing, but my hair still looked pretty good. And then it was raining this day too. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate all the love and all the feedback. Thanks for watching. Peace. Peace.